Hi, thanks for clicking on this video. Today I will show you how to make your cover photos private on Facebook. Make sure to subscribe to Fix It for more tutorials. Open up your Facebook app on your iPhone. Tap on Menu. Go on the top and tap on your profile. Then go to your cover photo. Tap on the three dots. You will see there is no way of making your cover photo private. All you can do is to tap on Edit Privacy and make to only me, but it may still appear to others when they go on your account. If this tutorial helped you today, make sure to subscribe to Fix It. Leave a comment below on what you want to see next.